To maximize your chance of success in this digital economy, you'd probably look at the success stories of Amazon, Uber, Apple, or Google, and you would discover that the key to their success is the availability and the adoption of what is defined as a platform. It is critical to note that each aspect of these platforms is tailored towards delivering a complete and an exciting customer experience that is plugged in and complementary to each other. Axway's digital platform essentially is made up of a variety of such components that you can arrange and rearrange to suit your business needs. The goal is for everyone to have his or her own recipe. A good question to ask right about now is what should be there in such a platform? Number one, systems for engagement, to interact with customers, partners, things, social networks, and so on. Number two, systems for mediation comprising of API management, cognitive systems, and monitoring systems. Essentially, bimodal thought leadership for IT. Finally, to align the business and the IT together, a reliable systems of record that will provide concepts such as billing systems, order management, manufacturing, scheduling, and so on. Typically, those families of systems are dealing with the rest of the world through data exchanges. It is interesting to note that 32% of critical business processes still rely on file transfers. That is why Managed File Transfer, or MFT, augments the digital platform by bringing in proven strengths to achieve your digital strategy. When a business process is fully automated, related file transfers should be triggered automatically as well. MFT transmissions are activated using several different ways. MFT provides APIs that allow applications, scripts, job schedulers, or an orchestration engine such as a workflow tool, a BPM, or an enterprise service bus to trigger a file transfer. At a granular level, under a well-orchestrated automation, the MFT component also enables checkpoints for file transfers in the case of exceptions or errors. Finally, guaranteed data delivery is very important regardless of the life cycle of the file transfer. The MFT components ensure file integrity. One of the biggest threats for digital innovation is still the ever-increasing attacks on your weakest links. MFT eliminates these concerns during the file transfer life cycle with industry-proven best practices. It secures transmission through latest and greatest encryption schemes, for example TLS, using up-to-date cryptographic algorithms and cipher suites. MFT brings the ability to encrypt the data both at rest and in flight, making it a cleaner and a simpler way of handling data and its security. MFT facilitates turnkey security to assist highly compliant businesses and businesses operating under high regulations equally well. Role-based access for administration and management enforces appropriate authorization handles for each aspect of the business process. By no means the last item, visibility and governance. It's a very important aspect of digital strategy. It is not an option to have no clue about a status of the business process. MFT provides end-to-end tracking on data movement. Proactive and reactive alerting ensure your critical business processes are running smoothly. Errors and exceptions are immediately shared through appropriate channels with relevant metadata that can be helpful to triage and subsequently resolve the issues. Traceability is not just for file transfers. It extends to the state of the system. Configuration changes are recorded and versioned for audit purposes as well. These are few of the key benefits MFT brings to digital businesses. Additionally, Axway MFT brings value to your business by enabling you to be responsive to fast-changing business requirements and reduce costs of the overall operations. To know more about Axway MFT, just navigate around on the solution booth to learn more and engage with your sales representative to define a plan for having your MFT ready for digital.